All right, let's get right into today's explainer. If you've been relying on just tweaking a few paragraphs of text in your PLR courses and crossing your fingers for high-ticket sales, you are sitting on a massive, untapped opportunity. Today, we're taking those generic, text-heavy private label rights courses and completely transforming them into premium, high-ticket learning experiences using AI. We're going to explore exactly how AI image generation can completely overhaul the perceived value of your content.
We've got a seriously packed practitioner's playbook today. We'll be hitting 1. The AI visual advantage. 2. Choosing your AI toolkit. 3. Strategic visual enhancement. 4. The visual creation workflow. 5. Mastering AI prompts. And finally, number 6. The return on investment.
Starting right off with Section 1, the AI visual advantage, and why custom visuals actually matter. Let's anchor ourselves in why this isn't just a fun design choice, but an absolute economic necessity for your business. So, the crucial point is right here. 65% of people process information primarily through imagery. Think about the last time you faced a giant wall of text. Your brain probably just tuned out, right? If you're selling a text-only course, you are completely missing the vast majority of the market. Your customers are literally wired to learn through pictures, diagrams, and illustrations. And get this, an incredible 90% of all information transmitted to the human brain is visual. 90%. When your buyers open a generic PLR document, their brains are instantly searching for visual cues to assign value. If all they see is text and maybe one basic stock photo, they instantly label it as mass market.
Well, this brilliantly translates to your bottom line. Courses with custom visuals sell for an average of 40% higher prices than their text-only counterparts. Snap judgments really do matter. That 40% premium is the difference between struggling to sell a course for $50 versus easily selling it for $70, simply because the customer perceived a bespoke premium experience.
We are literally experiencing a paradigm shift here. The old way, that meant expensive design outsourcing, painfully slow turnarounds, and relying on those sad, generic stock photos of people pointing at a blank whiteboard. But the AI revolution gives you instant professional visuals, complete creative control, and incredibly cost-effective customization. You're producing professional quality graphics in minutes, not weeks.
Okay, moving on to Section 2, choosing your AI toolkit. The source material lists over 20 different AI generators, but to keep things actionable, let's categorize the absolute best tools based on what they actually do best.
You definitely don't need to master every single tool out there. You just need the right tool for the job. For pure artistic excellence on things like course covers, you'll want Midjourney or DALL-E 3. When you need to maintain a consistent visual identity across a huge course, Leonardo AI or Stable Diffusion are your best bets. For speed and user-friendliness, like quickly throwing together some polished worksheets, Canva Magic Studio is just unmatched. And if you want to turn static images into dynamic promo videos, Runway Gen 2 and Pika Labs are the go-to animation specialists.
Which brings us to Section 3, Strategic Visual Enhancement. Let's look at how this builds into 4 distinct strategies for upgrading your PLR content from completely generic to ultra-premium. Strategy 1 is the brand consistency system. Think of Masterclass or Apple. Their branding is unmistakable, right? This means using your AI tools to create unified module headers, consistent color palettes, and recurring visual elements. Instead of your PLR feeling like a random stack of Word docs, it suddenly feels like a bespoke release from a major premium publisher.
Second is conceptual clarification. Honestly, this is where AI truly shines for educators. Imagine using DALL-E 3 to take a super dense paragraph about a marketing funnel and turning it into a beautiful, visually labeled step-by-step diagram. By creating visual metaphors like, say, showing a tree bending in the wind to represent resilience, you make abstract ideas instantly accessible for your students.
Third up, we have narrative enhancement. Dry case studies are, well, boring. But with tools like Artbreeder or Midjourney, you can generate diverse, relatable persona characters that map exactly to your target audience. You visually guide the learner through the challenge, the solution, and the success outcome, creating an emotional connection that drastically improves learning outcomes. And hey, better outcomes mean lower refund rates. And the fourth strategy is Workbook Transformation. We all know those plain text PLR worksheets with the basic blank lines to fill in. By running them through Canva's Magic Studio, you can add custom headers, branded backgrounds, and visual progress trackers. You're basically taking a basic digital file and, like magic, turning it into a premium learning asset.
Let's dive into Section 4, the visual creation workflow, from concept to distribution. The goal here is to condense a massive amount of work into a highly efficient, repeatable workflow, so you never get lost in the AI generation rabbit hole.
By following these 5 macro steps, you build a clean, systematic assembly line. First, concept. Use an LLM like ChatGPT or Claude to analyze your text and pull out key visual concepts. Second, prompt. Have that same LLM write precise image prompts for you. Third, generate. Paste those prompts into your AI generator to create variations. Fourth, edit. Pick the best one, drop it into Canva, and use magic layers to polish it up. And finally, distribute. Export and integrate it right into your course platform. Super smooth.
Okay, Section 5, Mastering AI Prompts. Generating stunning visuals requires great instructions. You can't just type business person and expect a masterpiece, right? Using this precision framework is the secret to avoiding the vague, mismatched images that plague lazy course creators. You need 4 elements. First, a highly specific subject description. Who or what is the focus? Second, style specification. Is it photorealistic or maybe a minimalist illustration? Third, context details. What's the lighting, the mood, the background? And fourth, technical parameters like aspect ratio and resolution. So instead of typing a desk, you prompt a modern oak desk, photorealistic style, bathed in warm morning sunlight, 16:9 ratio. Hit those 4 marks, and your output will be consistently phenomenal. Let's wrap up with Section 6, the return on investment. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about making things look pretty. This effort translates directly into massive business growth and measurable ROI.
The before and after metrics from visual enhancement are just wild. When you use visual concept explanation, student comprehension improves by 74%. When you visually redesign a plain text workbook, completion rates jump by 89%. And perhaps most crucially for your sales funnel, replacing a generic stock photo course cover with a custom AI-generated one leads to a massive 320% jump in click-through rates. That is the ultimate payoff.
And here's the real kicker. As this insight from the source material perfectly illustrates, elevating your visual presentation is the key to doubling or even tripling your pricing. For example, a basic PLR course originally priced at $197 can suddenly command anywhere from $397 to $697. You aren't just selling information anymore. You're selling a premium, highly digestible educational experience. The AI image revolution has totally democratized professional design. It is your time to build that visual advantage and start commanding premium prices. But it leaves us with one final urgent question. If AI can instantly elevate courses to this level today, what is the baseline for premium education going to look like tomorrow? And more importantly, will your content be setting the standard, or will you be struggling to catch up? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.